you started? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my new gaming channel, Xbox Player of 2004. And so the Xbox came here, and it's a Fortnite bundle. And so let's just get into it.
I'm getting this game.
And that's my brother. He's the cameraman. Turn the camera around. Say hi. Turn it around.
It is.
Oh.
You can't turn it around while recording either.
I don't know how to do this.
Hey.
Well, here we go. What the heck?
We're still in the box. I thought you wanted to do that.
Okay, here it goes. Wait, you need the lighting.
Can I please just pause it?
Okay, guys. Let's see. Caden's like, I want to be a part of this. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, guys. Hold up.
Ow. So, we got something right here. That.
You don't know what it means.
Not yet.
I'm the genius here.
Make sure you're getting the. Yeah. I'm gonna freaking take a.
That's a good idea.
No, it's not.
You can't open them like that. You can't do it like that.
Oh wait, this comes out. Is there anything in it? That's what Caden wants. Caden, show him.
I'm not getting it cold, right?
There's that, and then I don't know. This is. Oh my gosh. Hold it,
You saw nothing, right?
and then. Plus, okay.
Controller.
Oh, okay. Make sure to get this piece at least. How long? So here we've got the gaming controller out of everything. Should I use scissors? You're back to it. Here we go. The final revealing.
Not the final, but. Nice.
Whoa.
Now here's the system.
Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like though.
Nice.
And then it has something else in it. Oh, and then it has batteries. So it comes with batteries.
Yeah, you have
Now
to
this
pause
is the final reveal. Okay, make sure to.
The best part.
Don't stop it. Oh, it's black? I thought it was white. It is. Oh.
Dang it.
Here is the final reveal. Here's the baby.
Okay, bye guys.
Wait, what? Oh, and it comes with this too. Bye guys. Wait, let me do my outro. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and give it a big thumbs up for some Fortnite tonight.